What's up everybody, welcome back to All Things Entertainment, where today we're getting these two lawnmowers ready for resale, which mainly involves installing this new carburetor.
Rising with each beat of the music is bringing. We're flames in the fire that keeps burning. We're inviting the night in. Welcome, my heart so full that I'm devoting myself to the night. There's no motive. We're just listening. We're existing.
This Troy built here doesn't run. And basically what it's doing, it's flooding the cylinder head with just a bunch of fuel. So we bought a new carb because the carb's not running right. And today, that's what we're installing. And now I'm just gonna get a couple of bolts and stuff like that, and then we should be good. Alright, so I've brought some ratchet wrenches over. I'm gonna start with taking this pipe right here off. I think it's time for a time lapse. I've decided instead I'm gonna take this whole assembly off. That's too big. Got some US sized Imperial ratchet wrenches. So yeah. Should be able to get that thing off now. Okay, after changing it into some better clothes, I got the unit out from here. Like that. Removed it. Now I'm going to be removing this piece here from the carburetor. Just like that. Boom. Now we have one side of the carburetor off. I'm just gonna remove these two little nuts here. And then that removes the entire back assembly off. And just twist out the entire thing by hand. Don't drop the carb. Now, that piece is off. So now we have just the carb on our own. Okay, so you can see now I've put the gasket on, I've got everything reassembled. I'm just pop this on right now. I gotta screw in the last mount over here, and this line's on, and then it's done. Yeah. Okay, now that I've assembled it correctly with the nuts on the outside and the thing on the inside of this, put everything back together, and I just gotta plug this wire in, put that in, and plug in this little hose in the back here. Okay. Now it's just a few line here and we're done. I stole a battery from the black one because the one that was on here was shot, so I took a battery from there. So yeah, everything's put back in now. I just wanna show you guys. Everything's put back together, new carbs in there. It's all nice. Just gotta pop in that fuel line. I gotta get this thing started, I don't have a lot of time. The battery's almost dead. My camera battery. And my dad kind of pointed out something pretty important. Maybe I should put the spark plug in it. Bing bada boom, and it's done. It still does need a few things before it gets sold. We're gonna get a new solenoid for it so it actually starts on its own instead of using jumper cables to start it. And it needs a fuel line because of a leak, and it needs a new battery because it's old and died. But after that, we're gonna sell it. I'm gonna wash it tomorrow, get some pictures of it, make it look really good. The black one on the other hand just needs a wash, and that's it. I forgot to put these guys away. Oh yeah, and if you're interested in the Vespa series, it's still there. I still have it. We've just been remodeling the garage a little bit, so we haven't had time or space to continue work on it. But now, everything's done. So, a couple of weeks we're gonna start primer on that.